What's up, my bomb and subscriber squad? That's called stirring the pot, y'all. What's up, guys? Welcome, welcome, welcome. I am TonyaNicole, and today, boo, we got a little bonus video for that ass, girl. Today we have a new lash subscription. This one is called iLashFix, and we're also going to be unboxing our Lash Me Monthly. Both of these are for the month of July. So if you guys want to see what I got in these two, y'all know what to do, boo. Stay tuned. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Leave me a comment down below. Y'all know I love chit-chatting it up. Okay, my loves, today, as I said, we're going to be doing two eyelash subscriptions, iLashFix as well as Lash Me Monthly. We will not be doing shout outs today, guys, because this is a bonus video, and I know y'all all excited to get a bonus TonyaNicole video. Since you're so excited and you have not subscribed, boo, you need to go on and hit that button because you know you want to be a part of this bomb ass family, boo. Trust what I'm telling you. Then after you watch this video, you need to give it a thumbs up. Also follow me on Instagram as well as Twitter. All of that is down below. So now that we got that out the way, let's get these two packages home and popping. We're gonna start with the new subscription first, and this is iLashFix. This, guys, is a Black-owned lash subscription. They offer two types of subscriptions. The first one is called The Need, and that will include 2 sets of lashes plus extra surprise goodies in your bag for $15 per month. Or they have the second option, which is the Habit, and that one includes 4 sets of lashes plus extra surprise goodies, and that one is $25 a month. I have here the Habit bag that they sent over. They did send this to me, guys, for review and my honest review, which I will do. So let's get the contents out and unbox it. Came packaged in this right here. We do have a little card here. It says, happy July. So we are now in the thick of summer. While we hope you are continuing to stay safe, my hands have been struggling for more moisturizer. Girl, mine's too. So enjoy this Mixologie hand lotion. If you need more, check out our site. And that's what they have here. Like I said, guys, this one is the Habit one, and it's $25 a month. So let's see what we have in here. We have some prices, and we do not. So I'm probably going to have to go and look up all of these things. Okay, so first it says the top shelf luxury lotion, and this is a Mixologie. It's by Mixologie, which I do like that name. This is a nutrient-rich inspired rose floral aloe-based lotion, and this is for your hands, feet, and body. And it does have a safety seal, which I am going to open because, as I told you guys before, washing my hands so much has really caused them to have like this burnt look, this rough patch of skin on it. I think it's from the hand soap that we use at the hospital. So it's like really, y'all, giving my hands a time because I wash them constantly. So this is what it looks like. We rub it out. It is a nice and thick formula. Okay, it does feel very moisturizing, very hydrating. I'm telling you, my hands could definitely use this, and it does have a rose scent. So I'm very, very excited to use this. It has 3 milliliters of product in it, guys, and it is moisturizing. Look at that. Okay, cool. I like that. Next up, we have a perfume here, a little sample size, and this is by Mixologie again, and this is the scent Charmed, and it's a shot of spice. Wear alone or layer with other Mixologie scents. Okay, let's see what it smells like. So it comes like this in this little glass thing here, and when we pull this up, this thing is hard to get off. I don't know what it smells like, honestly. I'm getting like maybe a musk type scent, I guess. I don't know. I don't know what I smell, guys. I will probably pass this along to my mom, but okay, this is cool. And then they put in this lash applicator here, nice black one. And it's got a little weight to it. That's what it looks like, guys. So this is cute. And what you would do is put your lashes in there, this little clamp here, and just like stick them to your eyes. So, all right, I like that. I always like a lash tool for a lash subscription. I do, like a glue or like these, because you're always losing them and you always need them. And then the last product they gave us was a Tea Tree Purify and Soothe facial mask right here. This is one mask, and you would leave this one on for 10 to 20 minutes and then pat the excess into your skin, and it's from Real Beauty right there, guys. All right, so that was the little surprise goodies. And then we have 4 pairs of lashes. And the first pair is called Lily Lashes right here. These are very pretty. I slide them out. All right, these are TonyaNicole-esque. They're very pretty, very full. They feel nice. I could definitely get some good uses out of these lashes. These are very pretty, guys. I like these. Okay. And then we have this pair called Kiki, Do You Love Me? Sorry, y'all. All right, these are Kiki, guys. All right, they're more gorgeous lashes. These give you like a short to long dimension in the middle. Very pretty. That would draw attention right to the middle part of your eyes. I do like these as well, guys. Gorgeous, beautiful. They're nice and thick, just like I like them. Then we have Jessica, which are also super gorgeous lashes. These are all TonyaNicole approved so far. Okay, iLashFix. There we go, right there. They are beautiful, guys. Gorgeous. And last, we have Zianni. I don't know how to say that, guys. These are more on the natural side, though, guys. Nonetheless, they are very pretty, very natural, more like what I would wear for work. Right there, gorgeous. These are pretty too, and I love the packaging, the little glittery background that they have. So, okay, guys, that's all that I have in this month's iLashFix. I'm gonna show you guys quickly what we received: the little perfume and the lash applicator, and these 4 pairs of lashes right here. So this is all $25, guys. I will put their link down below in the description just in case you want to check them out. I do not have a coupon code with them or anything. I'm gonna email them and see if they'll give me one to get you guys some money off. So I thought that this was a pretty cool lash subscription. I had never heard of this company before, but I thought that they gave you a nice variety of like a skin mask, definitely this moisturizer for my hands, the lashes. The only thing I really didn't care for was this little perfume, and I like the lash applicators. If I had to rate iLashFix for the month of July on a scale of 1, being this bag is garbage, throw it in the damn river, to 5 being this bag is the bomb.com, boo, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna give iLashFix for the month of July a whopping 3.5 to 4. I didn't think that it was actually bad, guys. I thought it was pretty decent, and they gave you a nice variety of products. So I did not like that it didn't come with a card, though, so I can tell you guys retail prices. But now let's move on to Lash Me Monthly. Now I'm gonna tell y'all what happened with this. I had already unboxed this, but somehow I was not recording. So I have to do it all over again. But it did come in this cute little mailer bag this month. And this is how it looked, guys. All right, there. So Lash Me Monthly is a $21.99 subscription. It's a lash and beauty subscription. It also includes free shipping. You get 3 pairs of personalized lashes, 3 full-size beauty products. All of the lashes are fur and cruelty-free. And if you use the code TONYA, you will receive $5 off of your first box, guys. I will have their link down below as well. So let's go on and open it up. And like I said, it does have a card. This month's theme is Tropical Blast, guys, right there. And on the back, it does give us prices as well as descriptions. We'll put all of that down below. And it comes packaged like that. That's all you need to see. All right, so first up, guys, was the Crown brush here. And this is a Pro Blush brush from Crown Brush. Oh, that's a mouthful, Lord. Okay, so this is what it looks like, guys. It's just a nice white brush. The bristles are kind of stiff. It doesn't really feel heavy for it being, let's see, this is $12 for this brush. It does feel a little bit on the cheap side. Nonetheless, it's a very dense brush. You could probably use this for blending out your contour. I don't know if I would use this for blush, but it does retail for $12. And then we have this from Laritzy Cosmetics. This is a long-lasting lipstick here, and we have the shade Nudes. And let's see, and that's the color right there, guys. I won't swatch this one because I will be putting this in a giveaway. It's a beautiful color, and it's a color that I would definitely use, but I do have a lot of these colors, so I'm not gonna swatch this one. Instead, I'm gonna tell you guys the price, and it is $20 for this. So yeah, $20 for a liquid lipstick. And then we received 3 pairs of lashes right here, these 3 pairs. And they also came with these 3 spoolies. The green spoolie with this green pair here. And these lashes are called Mojito. Oh, I like that. These are very dramatic, y'all. These are very dramatic. So that's what they look like. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Oh, girl. Gorgeous lashes. They are very, very drama filled. They're not as full, but they're very wispy. And I think that this would be beautiful for like my drag queen people out there, or just my girls that like that long blinking lash. You know, when you blink, it's like fans, you know, that's what this would be good for, guys. And y'all know each one of these pairs retail for 14 buckaroos. And then we received this one in the style Summeritni. It's the blue pair here with the blue little spoolie. And let's see, these are definitely my type of lashes, a short to long, very full, very wispy, beautiful lashes, thick. That's what I like. This is TonyaNicole Summeritni. Can't y'all see me wearing that? Look at that. And then last up, we have this one in Island Slush right here with our little pink spoolie. And let's open it up. These are also very, very dramatic. I would probably have to cut these because as you can see, they're very long where they're overlapping on the bottom. So I may have to cut these babies because these are very dramatic. I won't complain about them. I think I'm going to actually take some pictures wearing these and post them on my Instagram, and I'll let you guys know when I do. So make sure you follow me on Instagram, guys, because I could imagine how this is going to look on my eyes. So we did get these 3, and they are $14 each, guys. And then last but not least, we had this that came packaged outside of the box, and this is the Tropical Vibes Volume 2 palette right here from Trend Beauty. There we go. That's the packaging. And when we slide it out, same packaging, beautiful. I love the packaging, guys. And you open it up, it's a little plastic thing here, and oh girl, we have a mirror. Hey boo. All right, guys, it does come with this dual-sided brush right here. And this is the palette. Look at that. Gorgeous. Definitely tropical vibes. Beautiful. We get 2, 4, 5 shimmer shades and 1 matte shade right there. And I'm going to swatch them all for you guys. They feel so nice. I had already swatched this, guys. So just in case y'all saw that it was swatched, I did swatch them already. So let's see. We have this, the first shade here. Ooh, look at that. Gorgeous. And then the second one right there. Then this one right here. That is the matte shade that I'm going to have to build up just a little bit. It's the matte shade. And then we got 2 more. Ooh, look at that. They are a little bit powdery, but they are swatching very nice. And we have 1 more little shade, this brown one. Let's get that one. And we're gonna put that one right here. Just swatch it all over my body, huh, guys? Can't even really see it, but this is a beautiful brown. So we have that shade there, which you probably can't see, and these right here. I'm actually gonna add the brown right here so you guys can see. There you go. So you have the brown shade here and then these. Gorgeous palette. I love the way they swatched out. Like I said, it is a little bit on the powdery side, but they feel very creamy, very buttery, nice. So I like that. So let's quickly recap Lash Me Monthly. So we have this Tropical Vibes palette here. These 3 pairs of lashes here along with their spoolies. From Crown Brush, this brush here, the blush brush, and from Laritzy, this liquid lipstick. So that is 6 products in this box. Final thoughts. Oh, the palette. I didn't tell you what the palette retailed for, and that one retails for $12.50 for the palette. And I will put the grand total of the box somewhere around here. So guys, final thoughts on Lash Me Monthly was I was really happy with my box. I am happy with this palette. It's swatched out beautifully. I'm so excited to use it. It's definitely giving me tropical vibes. I am happy about the lipstick. Even though I won't use it and I'll be putting in a giveaway, I would definitely wear this shade. The lashes, the only ones that I really like were these, the Summeritinis right here. These 2 may be a little bit on the too dramatic side for TonyaNicole, but I will definitely try these out and see how they look. I may just have to trim them down a little bit. The brush is okay. I could, it was okay. It was just okay for me. So I don't think that it was a bad box this month. Y'all know Lash Me Monthly is one of my favorite subscriptions. I do think that you do get your money's worth with this box. So if I had to rate it on a scale of 1 being this box is garbage, throw it down in the sand doom. I don't know. To 5 being this box is the bomb.com. Boo, you know what I'm saying. I'm going to give Lash Me Monthly for the month of July a whopping 3.5 to 4 as well. I did enjoy the products. The lashes this time wasn't all pairs that I could actually use. A couple of these pairs were even intimidating for TonyaNicole, but I will try out at least one of those dramatic pairs and see how I like them, because you never know, I might love them. So that was all that I have, guys. So let me know your comments down below on both lash subscriptions that I unboxed today. I hope you guys enjoyed this little bonus video. Don't forget to subscribe to your girl. Follow me on Instagram as well as Twitter. We will be having 3 giveaways on YouTube next month and 1 on Instagram. So if you do not have an Instagram, make your page, boo, and go on and follow TonyaNicole. It's all down below. Lash Me Monthly as well as iLashFix. All of their websites will be down below for you guys. And that's all that I have. I hope you guys have a marvelous day. I will see you in the comments below and on my next video. Bye, guys.